Let's begin at Korea's Constitutional Court, where the impeachment trial of President Park Geun-hye rumbles on. On Monday, close aides to the president's confidant, Choi Soon-sil, testified at the 8th hearing in the historic case. They revealed how Choi used her ties for personal gain through the government-linked foundations she allegedly ran. Kim Ji-yeon has the latest.
The Constitutional Court of Korea held its 8th hearing on Monday with Lee Seung-chul, the vice chair of the Federation of Korean Industries, being questioned about how two government-linked foundations allegedly run by Choi Soon-sil, the Beauty and K-Sports Foundations, were established and how companies in the Federation were able to donate funds to the foundations in question. Eun-taek, the former co-director of the Creative Economy Initiative and a former TV commercial director, also testified on Monday that he saw President Park's longtime confidant Choi use her computer to revise the president's speeches. Cha said Choi only used the computer to review drafts of the speeches, which he saw her do when he go to her office. Cha also said that every time he visited Choi's office, which was once every 2 to 3 weeks, he thought he heard Choi speaking with President Park using a phone apparently used solely for that task. Cha said that every decision related to the two foundations allegedly controlled by Choi was done only upon Choi's approval. Earlier in the morning, Kim Jong, the former second vice minister of Culture, Sports and Tourism, provided details on Choi's alleged influence peddling in the culture and sports sectors. Kim, who said he met with Choi once every 1 or 2 months, said she asked him to help set up the paper company Blue K, though he did not suspect that she was directly involved in running the organization. Kim also said that he didn't know about Choi's ties to the president because she had never talked about her in their meetings. However, he said that he received direct orders from former presidential chief of staff Kim Gi-chun on sports-related issues, not from his direct superior, the Minister of Culture. The Constitutional Court summoned some key former senior government officials as witnesses, including Kim Gi-chun and former Culture Minister Kim Jong-do, who are scheduled to appear in court on February 7th. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.